moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Haranur Nabila Firdaus. NIM 222099, kelas 2C. Here, I will present material about what are roles and function of nurse. Check out this information in this presentation. Next, what a nurse? Sometimes nurses are still underestimated because most people are not fully aware of the true role and function of nurse. A nurse is someone who cannot be separate from the health system and is therefore as important as doctor and other medical personnel. What is the actual role and function of a nurse? Come on, see the full review below. What is a nurse? A nurse is someone who taking nursing education both at home and abroad with the provision and regulation according to applicable laws and regulation. The definition of a nurse is regulated very clearly in the decree of the Minister of Health of the Republic of Indonesia number 647 Menkes SK 4 2002, where this decision includes registration and nursing practice. The qualification of nurse themselves are differentiated based on the two education programs they have taken, namely the 3 nursing and Bachelor of Nursing as regulated in Law Number 38 of 2002. So, what are the roles and functioners? Next. Get to know role of the nurse. Number 1, service provider of caregiver. Caring for patient require ethics and principle that nurse must have, namely providing service and care so that the patient health recovery quickly. Number 2, public figures or public figures. Nurse can act as leader for the community or the patient, especially if there are complaints in the handling of both patient and the environment where the nurse works. Number 3, education or educator. Not only for patient, the knowledge the nurse have can also be given to their surrounding and closest environment such as family. Next, number 4, advocate or defendant. Nurses can become advocates who fight for the rights of patients and society to the knowledge they have. Last, number 4, researchers or researchers. Nursing with their knowledge and intellectual abilities can become simple researchers in their field of nursing. Nursing can be people who have high curiosity, develop their potential, and can see what phenomena occur in patients and where they work. Next, nurse function. Nurse are indeed one of the people who make a great contribution to the health sector. They will become the hand and feet of doctor and be one of the people directly responsible to caring for and seeking healing for patients. Next, the nurse function. There are 3 functions of nurse, namely, number 1, independent. The first function of a nurse is independent. In the case, nurse take action and also make decisions that are considered based on nursing knowledge. Number two, dependent. The next function of nurse is dependent, where nurse can carry our doctor orders such as administering medication, installing, giving injection, taking blood samples, and shoot. Last, number three, interdependent. Another function of nurse is interdependent, where nurse can collaborate with other patients to provide the best service and effort in the health sector. Last, what is the character of the nurse? What is the character of the nurse? Apart from the roles and function of nurse that must be fulfilled and carried out by a nurse. Of course, there are several characters or traits that are characteristic of a nurse, namely, number one, be patient, number two, painstaking, number three, thorough, number four, care, number five, skilled and active, communicative, ethical, creative, friendly, smile, listen, and study. This character can of a nurse be a position that needs to be preferred when someone takes the education path as a nurse. Thank you for the time. See you next time, peeps. I apologize if there are any errors in words or attitudes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.